Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Yes, nyakораmogi machiegni kendo ma iluongo ne LTN, Luo Trending Nation kaka pile. Iluongo ne the award-winning media e piny Luo kaendi, kendo pod wagonu erokamano ahinya jok mochung' kodwa, jok mose bedo ka miyowa support, johera magwa mawatch, wagonu erokamano. Usebedo kuchiwo comments mang'eny ahinya and wakawogi positive. But nitie jomoko mabende donjo gi walo. Koro iwacho ni dawa ya moto ni moto, samoro bwa kete walo matin. Ang'ama kelo ni chenro ni iluonga no Marina chieno jamano mbele, chiene mineno mbele ming'o eming'ondo boka kik ibet ng'ama pache rach. Inyalo luonga no Mari dhako ngode ne gichake kore kumni ariyo to pod chwako sitirungi. Kawuono wan kaendi kaka ineno ka wan live Benelux lounge, kedwaro kar math mayom minyalo madhe giri moro mayom kaka kora liso ne idwa kumoro minya chame gwendi moro, kumoro minyalo kele nyathi moro matin oyue. Benelux lounge Greenspan ene kuma sawa kuminyalo yude mor mogundho kabisa kaka ineno kacha chaendo iluongo ne Benelux lounge. Kawuono wan gi wendo marwa mabende adwa ni wapenje penjo matin kanyo endo. Imbe ka in gi penjo modong' inyalo penjowa kanyo. Iluongo ne Jano the governor. Jano Meru makata
chiene
baba wuo.
Yone Jano Meru makata chiene be maram nade. Okay, gombe mondo baba wuo. Jano the governor.
Kawuono iye ni wach kaka iwache cha.
Jano the governor. Jano mame mi. Meru makata pere be maram nade gombo. Mondo baba wuo.
Mano baba. Jano nyoche kia Mombasa. Mombasa ni kukoje?
Mombasa is good. Mombasa is good and it makes you expand. It makes your brain expand. When you see ni poki udo pesa. Man pesa.
Ang'o nuteri Mombasa business moro, nidhi jathum moro. Inyalo kono matin. Wachaka Mombasa ka?
Mombasa, naturally era Mombasa. Like not that I'm expensive, but nchade Mombasa.
Yero gik maduge nge Mombasa jing'eny duge.
Koro kanja te Mombasa nwadhe gik kaka Talanta. The shows were good. Tunashukuru sana mashabiki wetu wa Pwani, wa Coast and just Coastal region as a whole. Then Mombasa is just good generally. Yeah.
No dhegi kaka Talanta Mombasa ka pukudugo midcast to dheka Kakamega.
Kufika on Monday Mombasa ina mvuto ule ambao hata inafika Monday unajisikia ni Friday. Nikwambia nyinyi mrudi bana, mimi nimebaki hapa.
To Mombasa de chalo nade nikech waneno kaka Katalanta jiwacho ni nogore noma Kakamega debed ni nower Mombasa yenya maduondi odong kuro koso ang'o mano timore Mombasa to nowera maber.
Yeah, he sang well from day one to the last day. Mombasa was very okay. Nowhere maber, shomo kuongo, no pong, marario no pong maber, maradek pong, Pais class. Ingine jatumija Pais class. Yeah, no pong.
Sasa wewe kama mwenye alienda naye, unajua ulitoka Mombasani, sasa hivi nasikia wataka kuzungumza kwa Swahili, basi acha tuzungumze Swahilini kidogo ndo nisikie kama ulienda Pwani kweli ama ulibaki huku nje kabla uingie Mombasani. Sasa tunaulizaje? Je, ulisikia chenye ilitendeka Kakamega? Tunasikia kuwa kaka Talanta sijui alifanya nini, alifanyaje, akaimba vipi?
Nilikuwa napitia mtandao wako leo hii. Nikaona kwa umbali kidogo tu. Sikuingilia sana. So mmoja nikafanya hivi. Baada ya kuiona kwako nikasema barua ni mwisho ni nusu ya kuonana. Wacha nijione mwenyewe. Nikatafuta sasa akiperform live. And I think what our fans are saying is exactly what happened.
Bado tukora duge Luo bwana Kiswahili limeta. Iwaje wer maber Kakamega.
Ingene ya ana
no Jano kaka Talanta muno chuli midhi Mombasa. Kawuoni wacho ni kaka Talanta no kuwer maber Kakamega.
Okawacho? Dhane mowacho. No, our fans are like our bosses. Ani ni ka yudo ka neno mokongo e page ni anena wiye to ka donjo into deep. Are they kore live itself? Yeah, kora kone jogelo wa gibura. Bana jogo neno gimoko ne. Your fan sees what you don't see. Yeah.
Ket gine magine tie pa.
Gine mi wernegi. Yo kinyal werne in.
Generally sani tich dhi kodi nade chien kacha cha endo nitie gik moko ma umaki matin. Yuago rent chien kacha endo maneno ka Baba Nation iluongo ni Zako Pondo mwenyewe uketo kanyo Baba Chi. Mani ngene iwacho ni en mane ngama nyalo duoki kaka nyathi. Yani onyalo duoki kaka chi. Kecho yao ne chi page to kidonji wuoyo ga chi tingeni wuoyo ga Zako Pondo to chako duoki ka chi.
Yana owuoyo ka achine.
Mano Zako Pondo. Bang rent no nitie gik mabe ochako biro kaka ng'at moro nitie iluongo ni Vans Kenya bende ochako wacho ni tiyo gi nyota ni. Koro ji wacho ni Jano teseka to ng'ama tiyo gi nyota ne to winjo maber. Koro ok wang'eyo action ni to koro ere kaka wadwa kawo nyota mondo iduogi dak Greenspan gi nyota ni. Chakna gi
Current kwanza bana anosipiga no uonda bwana. Ndipo kachepo class mara dak in such a house. I could afford my own rent. But see my friends were like, bana nyingi duong bwana. Bana Jano bwana. Sani you're a brand bwana. Kinyal da kumkama. So it was the peer from the friends. Then I also had some ups and downs. Kikazi pia. So hiyo ndio ikafanya nikakosa.
Nyiso ni you are getting some advice ni okay. Kapok friends wuondi ere kaka ne dak mini afford michul gigi nikech ng'eni ng'ato penjo ni ka friends no wuondi wadwa ng'ene friends no wuondi kidak kanye like an ng'eni kopo na chako stocha chien ka chende nyalo winjo ne nadak e od mabati katiyo gi Tony Ndiema ma koro chopo kuma sani kora dake anyalo wacho ni at least kata kadake e single room to koro enod gine enod smiti en single room to enod smiti iwinjo manyiso ni an gi steps moko ma asegoyo achiel ari adek. In kapok idhi e ot mane dhie ni ere kaka ne dak to ne dak kanye ma ne miyo i afford?
Nadak Nyayo. No, not Nyayo is a name. Nadak to Nyayo Kondege stage hapo.
Nyayo ichiwo go direction.
Nyayo mane nyiso ng'ama biro limi. Lakini ng'ama donge koro odi nadak Kondege stage. Koro Kondege stage my rent was affordable to my side because you know with me in a month I do have my plans. Angeni pesa masana no mugi ke due no chopo makama. Cause ni unge chiema bro. Can you get me? I always plan myself with any bob I see. Ankara no 1,000 anenega chigni gi angwen e wanga. Aneno mama wa gi nyithindo ani ngeno mera no to. Kora aneno nyithi kich man godo pacho gi mama wa. Aya anendra kai gi Ngimane. Then kora ng'iyo future means ni mano tingo rent otingo gima kiny na timre kech ng'amo gi onge gima timre kiny onge kae to koro ka koro waneno koro in koro timo kodango gi sani. Yeah.
Manyiso ni you could easily afford nen single room bed sitter.
It was a single room. I could even afford my net, my bills, everything. Yeah. Life was just okay with me in that my single room.
Then one day what happened? Ere gimono timore Osiepe koro wacho ni bwana ing'ama brand kato koro engo.
Okni bana ji ung'eyi. Bwana ing'eri Jano. Bwana ing'eni in. Mane ng'eni oketa iyala. Bwana in. Ikiari ni brand. Bwana keni ji ung'eyi. Jano.
Ingo ji mang'eny.
Bing'e kaka iwachi. Bwana ise hit tikia.
Ing'eni in sane.
An. Kara kane pok abedo gi nying ma in godo ni. Noyudo ka sedak e oda ma apiele oda. Kora kone okay.
Manyiso ni insani sekala kata kaka na chako.
Bana an ginen miyo wang ade chiel. Koro gani hiyo mwezi pia. Mungu naye ni nani? Dweche go pesa olima makora kone kara hita dier. Makora se hita dier. Pesa biro dier. I said mimi ni nani? Macha kore luongo ni life transformation from single to one bedroom. Kidwa kale bedsitter.
Bedsitter genego ibiro romo go bang.
Iluwo expressway. Ok idwa luwo gi yo ma ji luwo.
Dekromo kaka winjo kanyo no endo pod wan ka gi Jano the governor. Iluongo ni Jano mame meru makata chien ne dongo maromo nade becho maromo nade to kigombe mano mondo babau. Wan kode ka pod wawinjo mbaka ne kanyo kendo ing'ama winjo gi oko kanyo magi stories makata in nyalo konyi e life. Iwinjo ko wacho kacha ne en gi ngima mono onya afford mono nyalo loso maber to kata kamano osiepe nodhi odonje modhi okele ng'eyo mane momiyo samoro king'eni timo gima best itimo gima the right tim gino. Siepna moro nokona ni e kinde ma wang'i gi iti mi gik mopogore believe wang'i ya iti tafakari hayo. Koro osiepe golo Jano, osiepe dhi gi Jano bedroom.
Chieng' na daro mado kara kete ka diro mar jathiro yudo pesa kae. Adaro ba adhi one bedroom. Chako maisha. Anino gani like vina kwa wanela ya roya sina upweke. Napenda wenzangu. Kulikuwa na huyo msichana but they are mad at her and I can even speak before cameras addressing her. Unaona msichana alikuwa anaitwa Nyadok. Yeye alipata kama ako na shida pia.
Nani?
Nyadok. Even ndo anajiita TikTok. So umejua yeye pia vitu zake zilifungiwa. Na nikasema ya kuwa huko tunaenda na vitu zangu azizitoshei nyumba. Haya, alete zake tu aeke hapo. Unaona? Aeke hapo zikae hapo basi. Akishajipanga ataenda. Ikawa hivyo nikawa host. Tukakuwa hapo. Sasa chenye nafanya ni mchukie zaidi. Mimi sikuwa nahitaji pesa yao kwa nyumba. Sikuwa nahitaji. Kitu niniuma zaidi ni hiyo wakati sasa vitu zinatolewa kwa nyumba. Wakacha vitu zangu wanaacha passport yangu, ID zangu, karatasi zangu. Me always focus on personal things, laptop, ID, the desktop and nguo ni vitu zinabaiwa. Just the personal things. Mimi siangaliangi vitu zingine ya mattress amani. Hizo tu ya ID ya. Wakaziacha hapo, wakazitupa hapo. Msamaria mwema tu akachukua.
No, actually what happened? What happened that now made them to pick their things? Because ni wakati haukuwa na rent so wamekuja kuchukua vitu zao ama
sasa mmoja nyumba inafungiwa kama mimi siko Nairobi. Nyumba imefungwa on a Thursday. So kifungwa ilipata kama jioni yake nafaa ku travel napeleka kaka Talanta nyumbani. So mjua zako hapo ndo zaka alipata nikilala akashangaa huyu jamaa sijai muona akilala kwa club. Mbona jamaa analala hapa? Ndio nikamuelezea yaliomo. So mlango umefungwa bado lakini vitu viko ndani. Landlord pia akapiga hesabu akasema nimefunga mlango yes lakini siku ya pesa huyu jamaa inafaa ishe hii tarehe. So siku pesa ilikuwa naisha vitu zingefaa zitolewe. Joma okono omgik moko.
So nyardoko dio winjo ni o lord dot koro obiro mo gigene.
Yeah, and the landlord was like na maneno kama anaenda juu siko na deni yake ile sana. Dongeno tingo gige nawe kanyo zikisambaratika. Ukimpiga simu unasikia nguo zangu ziko kwa store ya caretaker. Personal things ameshinda kiniambia ziko until I turned mad. Leo asubuhi tu si hata mbali leo tu nimetoka Mombasa. Nikasema leo niko na pesa ya kushika msichana na niko na pesa ya kumtoa. Leo nilikuwa namshika. Nikapiga simu kwa akakushika. Nikaenda kwa dada yake akanielezea, alafu nikapiga simu ndo nikapata kuwa mtu alichukua vitu zangu akaniwekea. Ni mtu hata simjui. Akaniambia yeye anaweza nipea personal things. Office aliuza, meza aliuza. Computer nasema haifanyi. Nikasema haifanyi sawa. Akasia akaacha nje. I don't want to follow those. Yeah.
So ni leo tu
This morning. I landed here yesterday. So this morning I woke up for the things. Yeah.
Mama Mombasa be yage pesa mera. Ni an ge pesa manyalo mako go nyar dok to kenda nyalo golego. Iwinjo kazi chaki winjo kako wache ne I landed here. Yes bwana jambo no biro gi dao. Koso joka notimuni kama cha chien. Ng'a winjo jomo timne kama cha chien ne ga gi dao.
Though one
To angla mang'eyo. Makata nasi wuotho kama dhego Mombasa maduoga mako microphone nane. Okinya yudo pesa mimako go ng'ato tigo.
winjo angla ming'eyo no. Onge chiemo Ibrahim pesa malo 3,000. Kat vede the dollar, vede the kunekoso. You know what? Signing they treat you in terms of 1,000 per night.
Makata kaka talanta oko timuni gimoro malich.
No, just give me 3,000. Meaning each and every show was 1K. Contrary to the agreement we did with the manager. Na hizo ni ana MC gejathum. Magi gin kambi ariyo mopogore mori wore mondo mor jopiny. Can be your part, no?
Yeah.
MC does comedy. Musician sings. That is music as a genre.
This is a
Comedy.
as another level.
Yeah. So see, they joined. Mondo gi mor jopiny. Jathum en ng'ama nyalo. He can sit down. MC takes over. Kori ni sama MC take over. Usually embe koro ena field ne. Embe ena field ne. To nekech MC ok nyal pango show. In jathum. Chule ng'ani ka wadu mabende. Miya field mar entertainment kaka in.
Mabende dhiro.
Mabende dhiro. So, nakolo gidi ba. And I didn't talk to Kaka direct. Me always communicate with the managers. Nakolo ba. And kitera Mombasa. Mia 3 like I want to tell you. Me anyalo pakalesha to some level.
Elisha toto ngama sawa en kidhi oko ne
Anyalo pake to some level.
Elisha paka kata na sitiyo gi Elisha.
Elisha kakinindo oko chune en osemi pesa ni iji panga aya kakichiemo oko chune en osemi pesa kuri ni itigi wini ya nyiro semi pesa maber we kora amanyi kumara dia $1 around 500 mora kan model
Ado Elisha nge kaka nindo Elisha nge kaka nindo Elisha nge kaka chiemo.
anoka kwa garum anadwa pesa Mombasa mimi
Manyiso ni omi pesa minyalo dhi nindo go.
yeah Elisha Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Kakinindo after each and every show umepisha poa pesa yako ya kwenda kulala. Jua najua wewe si ukimja tugo. Magara kipe nyinge list haya. Hata mimi good example. Ipe nyinge list. Biseno chingu nyinge msika ka band member. Yeah. Meaning you should be treated differently.
Oningo treat kaki treat ja sound. Ke ja sound be onge list but nyakobed kanyo kathomiwa.
Kori don Elisha deal kode yot.
Kuonge ka odake ka achiel kata ariyo kata adek kuonge pako Elisha. An adwa ni jathum matiyo maber ikuonge pako.
Elisha is a good man.
Ne zoom camera. Zoom camera mondo kuonge pako Elisha. Kaw microphone. Kuonge pako Elisha.
Elisha is a good man. Elisha ana corruption. Elisha aji kurusha maneno. Elisha anything you tell him koni ba timna kama Elisha will do you that. Ikoni ba Uye na udire an room okadwa. Mia pesa noka. Asedo kumado ninde. Okodhi pe ni ndokani. In bora ni chope show. Kori ngani yodoni ya show Elisha kidi outside Nairobi. You are good to go. Let's say each and every show just normal rate 1,000 yoni 3,000. Umeongeza 3,000 ya rooms yoni 6,000 si ndio? Aya vyakula weka 1,500 hapo juu. Hiyo utakuwa na 75 si ndio? Aya MC you have your fans who came there to see you. Chokane tengo the least you can take in Mombasa kwa show Mombasa. The least umechukua hiyo ni Sunday watu wamechoka wajakuja show is 6,000. Aya add 6,000 to 7,000 you have 12,000 from show Elisha.
Huh?
Yeah. Show Elisha any show you live outside Nairobi with Elisha.
Bwana ngeni Jano wedu kichien Freddy beji pako kawinjo kipako Freddy. Jakadongo madisco.
Yeah.
Jakadongo madisco.
Poda meno pako Elisha. Koro. Okodo no pele.
Okay.
Yeah, koro ngeni akiri wo shows ge. Gi Sunday in 12,000 donge. Saturday ne ji opon kedo ji obiro ndi. Inyalo up to 10. Mombasa people deal with thousands, not hundreds. 10. Made 12 cha, you already have 22. Sindio? I made a show ni ma Friday. Mana yudo kata mana roughly 8-7. Dogini gi 28,000. Miya go ginene. Oteri no, iduogo no. 28 means you have something to display to the people you left behind.
Ngato nyalo ya gi 28,000. Ana name zita yaga mana gi pesa mome ya nkech. Ana timonea. Elisha mia kumanende. Elisha mia gi machamo. Kasi gini anakiaga dir fans. Kura kene anaunga ga fans. An bukana ndi fano me katabana ni atikia fano me yalo fokyo me yalo fare. Ane makiaga dir fan. Kozu kuecho. Una Noketho nyinge MCs. MC kuecho.
Wan gi kuecho. Gi wan gi ngani moraga. Wan gi jariyo. Ngani moraga. Ngani kwaya. If you do something good, it pays itself. I always tell people, just love what you do. Respect what you do. It will pay itself. Mimi nikienda stage. Now this one Kakatalanta can confirm for you. I took 7 minutes and I earned myself 12,000. Just from a single stage.
Mombasa?
Yeah, single stage show.
Jano na 1,000.
I never pay any room in Mombasa. I always have free accommodation. Free accommodation, free transport, free meals in Mombasa. Mimi ndo nachagua nilale wapi leo. I just choose.
Because you have friends.
So many true friends. Friends like I'm attached to the car dealers. They are my good friends. Okay. The car dealers are my good people. You know, kuna masana wafanyia advertisements. So nikiendanga huko ni kama they are happy, their man has come. Mtu anakuambia kesho tuende showroom, kesho tuende uone duka yangu, kesho uone ya.
Samedeno tichiemo.
Ichiemo nono ini ndo nono iwuotho nono. Inyalo ka timo gik mang'eny nono.
Wach na Fredija Kadongo piyo. Wadon otiek paro no.
Fredija Kadongo
chudo.
Korka chudo okanyal wacho ni he was paying me good. Yeah, he was just giving me per my class. Yeah. For my class.
Fredija Kadongo nok chuli maber.
Ano okawach gani ng'ano chula ber. Ano wacho ni ng'ano chula kako nena.
But according to in kaka nene, like kaka koro no chuli.
I can
Babu wacho kesongo ge kano wach gima winjori gimi paro no mano idwa loso nkech kamera uo.
He wasn't paying me as others are paying me. But it was also what I know with Freddy, ile roho yake ndo nzuri, roho yake ni nzuri. Hakuna utu. So mmoja na malipo ilikuwa said the managers. You see? Yeah.
Ndalo mono kirwa beno ilecha.
Yeah. Unajua ngene
kwa soporo kedware.
Giomi okadoka kalone Freddy. Freddy has ever stayed with me. Number 2, Freddy manoro na pesa ka olore gari. Beno ile koni onge kubidhiye wono the Kisumu. Yeah, mja yende aliniambia kama una pesa chukua hii. Go to any place naya. Yeah, then also business wise is always supporting me. So see ni mtu no. Business wise ni client wangu. Yeah.
But kipimo Freddy kaka talanta irenga machudo molowa.
Kaka talanta chudo maber. But kaka talanta doesn't have time to listen. He's ever right.
Okinya okenga minyalo advice.
Yeah. You know, he doesn't listen. Aninga ni omi okawuga mang'eny. An kase kono ni ochula mar show sawa. Aninga ni an kara pesa mangato na ka talk show. Okape ni mamaradi. Kati ona mana 100 kalenga kuni sawa. There's another day called next day. Yeah.
The only problem is kaka talanta ne okonga malisen en right.
Yeah, he doesn't listen to your side. Kechkwan managoyo gi show ne ma Mombasa. Then from the show I was to I ought to have snatched him up to 6,000 kama ni kidogo. Juu si kazi ni nini? Kazi si ni 1,000 ndio tulelewana. Hapa pate room. Hakuna siku nitalala kwa room ya mchezaji kama I'm outside Nairobi. Mana chaya. Ini ndo kanya. Ini ni kanya. You are an entertainer, we are an entertainer.
Manyiso ni dwaro ni MC oningo bed gi room ne.
Opija ka Eli Rose. Elisha Tutonozi. Umeona siku kinako kana sukumana na wachezaji? Ama unamwona kale kwa stage tu? How he has come, how he's living, umeona? Yeah. MCs, comedians have another field. Musicians have another field. So these are two different fields that have joined to entertain people.
To andonga neno ka maybe kwa the kumoro ko poni atene wanindo gi Jano, I don't have any problem gi mano.
Ibro bedo gi problem. Chieng makoro fani duabne ni at a personal level.
Wacha.
You want jake. Do you feel now? Moro bedo kucha you mado gigene. See? You just need your personal space.
Kozo unemzi udwa lenyo. Andi ngene ukalenyo ga.
It's not
Udwa lenyo.
It's not a
Dike changeni ya kuri witi ingi wendo. Otek. Kech koro kake dwa kono ngae. To kionge wendo to kuni danenda kataka kaka anka Elisha mostly waja spend ga gizedi is a guy in security. Gadaza moro bit gi gane Bosco. Simba Masimba. I don't see any problem kanyo ni kechu one my boys wabiri teachiga unless ninga to dwa lenyo kuri kanyo maga.
It's not a matter of lenyo. It's just something that
Jano isi chako bedo ge pride. Idwa room ni bwana ipi murigo ge na ngejo gina ko ni room ni. Jano isi bedo ge pride.
See pride just confirm from others. Akwata pesi ngane ngado nendege. Mondo diesho. Mangane room. To wato ko mana room.
Dongin gadier ni ine nyalo kao 7 minutes stage. Agwata nyalo kao dakika 15 stage. Dongi kipogore.
I can go up to 30. Yeah. Bwana to sina ile raka ya tundudududududu. See, you know me bwana, niko na certificate za comedy bwana. Nini nitajifunza leo bwana? Nini nitajifunza leo bwana?
Podwan kacha endo ge Jano the governor, Jano mame, Jano meru makata be ni chien ne ber maromo nare to kek gombo terie mano mwandu fadhe. Podwan kode ka kendo omiyo wa matin e stoche kanyo. Gini nwang'ado kuma koro iwuok idhi e ot moro ma one bedroom. Kanye ma paro no biro mono wachakwa kele gini kech nolor ni dhote sama ni wuok idhi e show ge kaka Talanta. Kanye mwachakwa donje kaka Talanta chudo mare to ge performance kacheche stage mabende wagomba kamatin uterwa Elisha Toto kasto chako kelowa Freddy Jakadongo. Jothumbe gi misetiyo gote kapok wachako duoge Ngimane karot kaendi. Ere ng'a miseyudo ka chudo marach moloji kata handle ji marach moloji?
Ma handle ji marach like me I rarely speak to the musicians. Warome stage wago show from there kila mtu ajipe shughuli. Like sinangele time ya kukaa na wewe tunaongea hivi. Fast. Yeah, teach from teach
Chudo.
M-Pesa na my ways your way. And kata jathum kania wadhi kumakama. Onge chieng mabedo kodi kama hiyo close touch bro miyo wang'eri saidi nyalo kelo ng'iyo. Koro an onge chieng ma ayega na bedo gi jathum achiel. Yeah.
Okay. Waduok chien koni. Oseteri ot. Osedar gige ni. Chudo setami. Rento setami. Gige nyardoko sekolo gige ne. Imbende. Ionge. How have you been surviving nyaka kawuono meya Mombasa? Jomoko wacho ni idak Kalausi, idak Kamenjaki, inene Katambla, onindo e baka Kalausi, umetho moninde Mtaro. Several stories, and that's why we are here. Mondo mingato koro kik chak wach rumors. Owach koro gimong'e.
Yana nyola pok na madho kong. Manindo e Mtaro. Yana nyola pok na madho kong. Maninde
Like love.
yeah, it's mana gimana ngado bako choponi asim. I always ensure that I go home as early as possible. Yeah.
Okay.
Koro kana adala ko kan maber kabisa. So we agreed with Kalausi to host me for, it was to be 1 month. purely January. Kuzio January kuna venye nilipata kazi nyingine mahali. Hii 1 month
Nyakoramogi be isebedo gi achiedh nade ka ipenjori kama inyalo chwalo lendo magi ne jopiny, obed lendo mag ohala, lando nyasi kaachiel kod lendo mamoko mathoth. Bas kik ibed gi kiondko moro amora, nimar LTN Luo Trending Nation ni ka nikech in. Wan kod jolendo man gi oteku kendo nigi lony mamalo mar chwalo ni lendo meki ne oganda. Ne ler mathoth tudri kodwa e nembniwa magin 07 11 92 32 74 kata 07 02 39 55 62 kata 07 68 21 42 45. Bende nyalo oronwa ote e luotrendingnation@gmail.com. Lendo manimba managi LTN Luo Trending Nation. Mondo yud vumilia koda ungo wuda wendo kaka skiza tune mari D-Star abora uchiel nono star angwena chela uchiel hash
Tena vumilia wa Kiwinyo vumilia wa
Uteni usini kod LTN Luo Trending Nation.
pesa hii unatafuta unabaki tu na fare. Unauliza Mungu, kwani wewe ndio ulikosea wapi? January kapita. February nikarudi sasa entertainment kidogo. Juu mmoja January I was focusing on money. So February nikaanza kurudi kwa entertainment. Nikaingia hizi sasa adverts, kwenda live shows, kupiga MC. So ikaanza kushika. Kushika tukaongea na Benelix. Tukaelewana. Tukishaelewana so ikakuwa hivyo kazi imeendelea. So nimekuwa I've been saving. So niko kwa Kalausi do na save. Nimekuwa kwake nikisave. Hiyo February na March. So siku hata hapo kwake I couldn't bother him with meals. I could eat outside. I only go there to sleep. I could most of my time I could sleep. Mimi mara nyingi naweza lala hata nje mara 2. Ndo nikienda hapo na change tu nguo. Sikutaka ile ya kukaa sana. Si nilikwambia mimi sitakaki kuzaana na mtu. I know you to some level. Ile ya we can talk all the time. I don't always want. Ikawa hivyo, naenda hapo na lala. Saa zingine siendi. Saa zingine niko kwa Minjaki. Jua Minjaki also has been with me. Saa zingine niko naye kwake hapo. Saa zingine niko kwa Simbabugo. Saa zingine nimeenda kuhanya kidogo pia hapa na pale.
Hivi lenyo.
Yani ilikuwa ile maisha una balance, you balance where you sleep. Ukilala hapa leo kabla huyu akujue sana, kesho uko hapa. Nimesurvive hivyo for the last since the year began. Sijakuwa na makao. So when March was ending nikamwambia Kalausi, I'm going somewhere. If I come back mimi ndakuwa niko na kwangu. Nilimwambia tu. Mmoja mtu anasema akona kwake. Akona 300 bob kwa M-Pesa. Now I have promised them that I'm leaving this place. But if I come back, I must get myself a place. On the other hand, yeye pia anasema penye yako aski vizuri, you should be living. Meaning we both have to work hard. He's working hard to move to another place. I should also work hard not to move with him,
but to move to your place.
Yeah. I'm working hard not to move with him, but to move to my own place. Nikaenda Mombasa. I always talk to God. I told God that I'm going to Mombasa. You see my current situation? Anything I'm going to say before the people, let me know the use of this talent. Let me know if the same talent has taken other people elsewhere. Let me know if the same talent has made some people build their mothers good homes. Let me know if the same talent some people can use to pay their rents. I went to Mombasa. Mombasa welcomed me with money.
Pesa. Okumarka Katalanta.
Naambia Mungu, is this what was in store for me? So that if I could have missed it, I couldn't have, ningemisi, singeona haya yote. Unashika huku unaona uko na maelfu, unaambia Mungu, wow, huku. You even don't know where money is coming from. Someone is seated somewhere calling you. Unakunywa nini? Naambia nimeshalewa, nipe hiyo pesa kwa M-Pesa. Anakutumia. Haya, another person. Bwana, kesho nataka kuja kwa duka yangu. Utachukua ngapi? Shika hii cash. Kesho ukikuja unitangazie. Mombasa was just like, there's nothing you buy. You don't even use a bob, but to receive bobs. Ikawa hivyo.
Ukapata hela.
So
sasa hivi umeenda kwako ama ndo unapanga kwenda kwako?
Acha ukaa mbele ya gari bana, utakanyaga bana. Wacha ukaa mbele ya gari utakanyaga. Ngoja nikuje bana.
Mapodilugo de Jano the governor, Jano mame. Inga madwaro MC ma serious. Imanyo Jano the governor. Inga madwaro mondo land ne gimoro. Jano the governor. Inga madwaro ni ati sebedo ka in gi chandruok ma imanyo nyathi gi chiegi to ke yore manjano the governor. Kodong mano betemo ba. Mako services. Branding kaka mineno goro kane. Jano the governor. Poster. Jano the governor lao emo mi eno rwako plane nikech onyandike gimohero sasa ya manjano the governor. Jano ya Mombasa gidao. No, pokea Mombasa. Sasa sema tu kwa kamera leo. No, kabla tuendelee. Drinks gijano kare chol drinks.
Wauo. Akati sana nyasaye kare ber manade yao. Money is here now. Now let me use my brain. Now help me use this money. Nikauliza Mungu, you've now brought this thing. I don't know tomorrow, but I've seen my today. Yes. Tell me I'm going to use this money. Cha kwanza nikahakikisha nimelipa rent miezi 4 ijayo. Kumaanisha landlord atuonani. Mnaweza kapo miezi 5 nikikalia deposit yangu. Nimeshalipa rent miezi 4. Nikasema maisha naishi ni maisha ya social media. Nikatafuta mtu wa wifi mbio. Nimeshaeka hapo. Mimi nimeshatuma laptop inakuja. Ingine si umeona ile ya doka aliacha kaenda hivyo. Ingine inakuja. Home, I've settled my bills. The kids can now move to school. Hiyo wanaingia shule wakiwa na fees. Yaani mtoto anafunga akiwa na fees at next term. Yeah. I just have 3 kids, wale wa brother yangu. Wote wanaingia next year wakiwa na fees. Next term.
So you've really done great.
Yeah, I asked God, tell me I'm going to use this money. And I was told how I'm going to use it.
Hapo mbeleni pia uliniambia ulisimamishwa pale ulikuwa unafanya kazi kwa ile branding company. Sijui kama ulisharudi kazini ama bado hujapata pale pa kufanya kazi sasa hivi, bado utaendelea tu na wasanii?
If I'm a brand, why must I be myself? I don't have any tangible shop, but you'll always see me in the shops. Like sahi sina penye nimeajiriwa, penye nafanya mimi. But lakini ukitaka anything to do with branding na kufanya. Kuna siku niko na kazi ya Lupita Nyakisumu. Amekujia product yake lakini anatamani kukaa chini. Duka ya kumweka kai chini pia iko. Ananiambia, why are we doing the business in street? Inabidi natafuta place ingine, duka ingine tumezoeana nao anakaa chini. So I just have a mobile shop. It is Jano Mounts and Boards, a mobile shop. Jano Mounts and Boards mobile. Yeah.
So, but
gets delivered. But where it comes from, you should not ask. Ask who has brought it.
But if somebody maybe is interested about this you are designing thing and maybe want to buy you or maybe set up an office, how much does it cost to have these machines? Because sometimes there are some people that may not trust you, especially when you are dealing with online thing or mobile. Because there are some people that believe that they have to see where you are working, so that if you don't do as they want, they can visit you. Some people also want to see tangible evidence that you are doing that thing. Yeah, at least anakuja hapo kwa duka, anapata kuwa umehang nguo hapo yenye ulibrand, umefanya nini, apart from just this soft photos of the clothes you branded the other day, of logo you made the other day, poster you did. What they want, a hard tangible evidence. So how much can it?
Okay, from now, you see, like from now, I always book. I tell somebody I have my visitor coming here. But if someone wants to start that business with the current machines, things have evolved. Current machines, pale bana ni mamilioni bana. Huko ni mamilioni. Things are very costly there. Huwezi anzisha chochote hata bora tu kuna pesa yote from 1 million and below. There's nothing you can do there.
You have to be a millionaire.
Yeah, you must. You must.
Jano the governor, Jano mame, Jano chien kacha wawinjo ne ng'ato kwalo nyota ni Evans Kenya tiyo godo. Uona kar nyota ka. Owachi ni Evans Kenya onge gi talent. Utiyo gi nyota ji.
Anige naonge kamera. Mimi sina kamera. An kara simba ok nyalo go selfie. Kumage otore. Can you get me the phone? Koro, I don't know how I'm going to frame it. You see, this is how my phone is, and you will see me posting every day. I ain't a camera, but you'll always see me posting. So, if someone takes me a video and uploads in its platform, that's why I steal it and upload it on my platform. Maana ukuri na jiwacho gani gikao nyotana. Mimi kujirecord ni ngumu sana. Sina hiyo kamera ya. So unapatanga Evans ananishoot video, anaweka page yake.
Ndo uende udownload.
So mmoja akiweka kwake, if I repost the same video in the same platform like ni TikTok, si ndio? I make a TikTok. If I take the same video and repost, mine cannot go viral. You see? So that's where the word mnyota comes from. So I always take it from there and take it to Facebook. Yeah.
So ini believe ni okokao nyota niko, si believe ni nyota to nyaka bed ni matin to rienyu kore.
Maybe ni bahati yake tu. Maybe akutuna bahati na mimi akishoot video na trend.
Because ngando ne wacho ni en meke ko timo kende tok dhi. Nyako ket mana mar sindi, oket mari, ket mar Elisha Toto, marenda, mar nyako.
Okay, let me just ask this simple question. Who is Evans as Evans? How can you know Evans? How you are told there's a content creator somewhere called Evans. Koro, you want to search for the content, even to go and interview him. He doesn't even interview. He interview ango.
Osiepe.
So, me all I know.
In short, content ma Evans ni gogin content ji.
Yeah, Koro yeah manegi mangeyo. Lakini sieti amechukua nyota yangu. And anything he displays, there's nothing that can come from him. Gikmoto mogin gigeji.
Koro wawachi no miu platform.
Koro gimonyalo there's no. I think I'm a brand.
Mokri Evans mi platform.
Eno konya yudo video upload e Facebook.
Iwacho ni imbende uwuotho gi min jake kaka osiepni. Igoro ikopo content mar min jake kako miel kako thicho siandane. Jibo sekoni gini.
Kuna adoption and adoption.
Baba ngawe manane adoption ga adoption. Okay.
tumeishi when you umeja ukiadapt mtu inamaanisha amekuadopt. Unaona? Nimeishi na yeye, tumeka na yeye. I think you understand. Mtu mnatembea na yeye. Jakutho yango? Jakutho kijakuo? Yeah. Kuringeni yeye tumeka na yeye sana. So najua unapata we do almost the same things. That style was not that comical as I have brought it, but they're almost close. Just check it keenly. It wasn't that comical as I have brought it, but they are very close.
Manyiso ni mari modify mondo obed more comical.
Mana kaka thum no se ver. To inda oketo thum e class moro. Koro jikawa ni yawa nyini wero manade yawa. Thum en gima wero pile kendo ji te wero. Lakini en mana ket ongawe class moro.
Ma pok iwinjo ka jomoko yware kodi ne
bana, si hiyo ndio kazi ya binadamu bana. Utajuaje unaishi kama uongelewi? Sama ji wuok no. Mane kingima. Ngano wajero se watch. Bana kore gima koro mora zaidi. To the same person who didn't like this, and amodhi manyo ma next. Mondo jako mane kaka gima nyalo keto. No, that person who hates you is your number one fan.
Yeah.
Kideno do ne pele gibi keto manyien.
But iwacho ne kaka an kokomo Victor kudwara ni en fan na malich.
Yeah, it's anything you post. Maybe anazadhani umemtusi mahali. So lazima huwa anaangalianga.
By the way, gimiwacho to true nikech anyalo paro ko ndalo madhi ka kevo makawili. En mokwongo ng'iyo status na to chako moko ne ogwele group. Ere kaka uketo mari tich to wachunge. Uketo Kare kafu kudwari number one fan. My fan. Kuroko como Victor is my big fan. Alright, nyakura mo kaka winjo kanyo no endo. Wan kato kwade. Yeah. To koro in poku uyuaru gi men jake gine style ni katuko ni ne bwana change style moro.
An ngene pach dhano kanyal ngene. The same way Jino chako when I brought Ogina version. Bwana ko mai bwana kopo gena. Ikopo gena. Aya. Ogina won content poko uoyo. Honestly, we have to do it until he says kana wego gire wa bwana. I'll continue doing Ogina Minjaki version until they say, until Ogina and Minjaki come to me and tell me bwana wekopo wa. But the fact that an would Ogina tan would Minjaki onge chima hika bro wegoyo. Nyaka chieng ne makore gore jathina. Ayoko.
Manyiso ni yie ne go gige men jake go gena.
But I've modified mine.
No, ego gige.
Awacho welo. I use the body language of Ogina, his body language. Like, I use some moves, meaning I don't use what Ogina says. But I do mimic his body language, how he approaches people. Yeah. Natumia. I'm using his body language. Use katai. Minjaki, I'm using I use one move from Minjaki. Those moves, they are always they are different. If you see this one here, this one tulileta na ili toto siku moja. This one is mine. The Miyosianda is mine. So this one from Minjaki na kujanga hii ya kuroka hiyo. Hiyo ni yake hiyo. Hiyo hii ni yake hii. So is it
na haja complain.
Haja complain. Sasa mwenye content haja complain ndio unasema nini?
Mani lungo ni Jano the governor. Jano.
You've known me for the last years. Why am I not Munyosianda na?
You are doing.
I've just modified the style. Even him, he now likes the style, he's also doing it. But because he's more famous than I do, people now think he's the one who has brought everything.
Manyiso ni ikao moko, tumbu kao, you are intercowing.
We have intercowed.
Kurujiwe wacho ni kao girmen jake fo, luka uru.
Wakaore. If they mean was this one. You see? Yeah, this one and this one, right? Aya. Mimi nika introduce here.
Na ilisha tu.
Here. Unaona?
Na
Ikaingia ndani. Haya hii nikaleta. Mimi yake modified it to you unakuja lakini una pose. Sasa yeye apigi sana, yeye pose hivi. We have it account bwana. And furthermore is my mentor.
Kuro katake kawa.
We have nothing to lose.
Baro puri logo ne Jano the governor. Jano the governor. Adongi penja rio madongo. Nitie moro ka echa miwacho ne nanene mbui. Jano ka nigi pesa to nitie kuonde momethe. Ka pesa orumo ne ochiko kaka lausi.
In my life I don't buy alcohol.
Hey.
I don't buy alcohol. Kich alcohol nuadongo kinyiswa ni kong and run. Koro kadoga na nyewe. And that is why an okanyal tingo karamana chupa kongo kadhiga ot. Gige club donge club. If you define bar in Luo, it says Biami Rochrock.
Biami Rochrock.
Or in other languages, this one, the normal Luo, Biami Ran. Koro, don't carry any drink from a club.
Ite kirane on.
Manotero rane on. Koro, in my life, I don't buy alcohol. Whoever said that mistook me. The worst I can buy, or the highest I can ever spend in a club in a 5 to 40. Hiyo nimesha kunywa, nimenunulia wenye wanakunywa chisa 3. Sitoangi pesa kwa mfuko nikinunua pombe.
Ini nyepo ni?
Yeah. Maana kwa ni chamo nyingi. Chamo nyingi.
Yao. Majani nyeo ne mana kongo.
Ano kanyeo kongo. Ngimane ata. I don't buy. And kata, I can go and say I want to take this. I tell my friend, ini di kanya nena di ot. Adi kumakama. Kaona white cup moram kama.
Gi pesa ne?
I can come to a club and purchase myself water. Drinks will surround me. In the few minutes, they'll see me moving to stage and coming back to sit.
But don't be marach mondo imeth kitiyo.
Katiyo, ano kati. Anything matiyo, I drink before I go there.
Itiyo ke kongi wi.
Yeah. The best I can do is when I have alcohol on my head. And korati make a mer.
Makata sani kako uwe microphone my mer.
Ngaka mer bwana.
Ni mer kapo kebiro ka.
Hey, onge gimanya lo wacho mo kamer. No, with me, I'm a poor speaker. I don't speak. But so after drinking, I can now speak.
Manga maluongi tich ogo kwano ni pesa no nyaka yude mar kongo.
Nyaka man kaka metho kuma eno. However professional that thing is. No, I don't speak. I'm a poor speaker. So I only speak when I'm tipsy.
In short, manyiso ni nyalo we stage te gik mewacho keche mer.
I know everything I do. And an kada chieng ma mwane ngana dogoyo. Okabigo ika aneni. Obro nebera kumora yo mos. Tasome sama comment yeno. Ka feel ni koro somo osecho po level mago icha. Yiri ni kinyi kaone ngano mero goya komer. But I knew what I'm doing.
Manyiso ni you are a poor speaker to you are a poor fighter. Keche mer ma edha obe makiseme.
Yeah. I'm weak at reacting. Ahero neno gi wanga. Aneno taling.
Ngi kumimaka go ni kata mini biro kani konge mer na.
Ochono. Like I cannot speak. And have you ever called me in the morning? Text. Just text. Wachimu wachono through message. Okwana na uoga.
To Jano mono wada kodi no kane kimetho daily to samoro no waga gambaka. Ni luro imetho like now let me just sanity said rock danga wachi ni. No, you know that kodi out and I can defend. Ni onge kata chieng manini ko tingo kongo kata watimo renade. And sometimes be no kwa the club. Nikeche na kodi ni atinga machulo.
Adwa kinyi. Where was my name by then? Where was my name by then?
Omanyiso ni kong'o ni chako makoro name osegine.
Like, if I once have taken it, I do my things very perfect. Kakoni kora Damiel, adagone ng'at advert, I do it perfectly.
Manyiso kare dak koda cha be nohinyi nikech ne otami mer mondo nyingi wuogi. Jano gicha ne nikech ne madho chai mang'eny molo kong'o.
Do you I can't do anything when I'm not drunk? Even the office, I'll never go there if I'm not tipsy. That's my rule.
Koro komi function mar church.
Mar church, nyakarus mar pastor, an MC, takoka mother gelbis motu we are told. Hata hii harusi, kuna hii harusi nitakutumia video. You know, as comedians, you are talking to different people. Ntenga mangongoni, ntenga manyero koni he, ntenga maningoni wange. Koni for you to avoid all this drama, get tipsy. Bise go show ne upcoming artist talking mer. Jomi wo yogo bowling tengi. Bise, do you feel the weight of the microphone? It becomes heavy in that you have content, but you can't give it out because nobody is giving attention to you. I am thinking I'm on my microphone. And again, among you, you know what to get out to copy of the
Majano samoro moroma ena nene stage. Anene ki mieli trend. Ang'ang'a ke pacha kata koka comment ni Jano mer.
Manogol praises to alcohol. Watching big praises, alcohol has done its work. This video has reached 2 million.
Noketho gini. Manyathi mangi kacha kone maber ne los wi motegno mar kong'o. Mondo chal koda.
Ano koda ngado chal koda. Kijana se chalo gi jomoko.
In mentor mar ng'ato gombo bedo Jano. Koro koko madho kong'o ng'ang'a ne okonyal.
Unless you can do it naturally, but with me, I never do anything naturally.
Andong samoro watimo ga kodi kata mane stage mang'eny. Kosambi chech nitie kaka bile to.
Aye. Maybe you can control yourself. Anotama. In gi fan kata maboni wach maonge, iwacho nang'o.
Igonwa koko.
Tingeni sote wini nono. Inyalo lori go ng'ato kayiem. Koro ngeni sami message ngeno you don't listen to anybody.
Ko wacho ni onge imbe wacho.
No, you don't go chuni. You know kiti bele ki program. Wada lungo Catalanta one more time. Chapa tuende.
Yeah, karege momeo gini okariera goter. Karo kamer.
Mer. Ano magkong kiki mer. Mer. Ok nyal timo gimoro. Kongo nyalo timo gimoro.
Awinj.
Koro winjo ni amer. Idwa timo interview. Mer awinjo. Yeah. By the way, winjo.
Kurangi.
Koro.
To kane Jano aneno kong'o. Bire straight. Ingena ng'i to wach niya koro Jano ni nosemer. Ineno kaka ng'iyo ng'at man gi ich kata en nyamino niya. Onyameno aneno timne timbe maricho. Like yani nitie gimoro mane nitie gimo kenya wacho but koro ene pachi. Koro nitiere osiepe ni mondo luori. You have really complained about your friends. To be precise. I mean, Jackie has been a friend of yours for so long. Ngimane ni maber. Tumblr. I don't know more about him, but he's your friend. Wan gi Simba Bugo. Ngimane okrach. Wan gi Kalausi. Mabende emiwacho no ose hosti for all that long. Mano bosiepne. Ngimane okrach. Kata ka sani awinjo ka uduoge mbui kache chodwaro gimoro matin. But ngimane okosebedo marach. In koriedi gi joge. Ok ni awuo marach, but okichal kodgi. Which level of friendship mawuno godo? Koso share mana kong'o nikech jogi kosiepeni. Okanya wacho ni jasup osiepna. To jasup cannot even shoot a content. Tan gi kamera. Okanya keto ni jasup osiepna. To this jasup will not be seen a camera any day. En kanyo ting camera yue chor kone. Gimoro machalo kamano. So how are you benefiting from your friends?
Ai.
No, because no. Ka 1 minute Ngimane then ngima friends gi. Ngena wache kamera because wabiro Nairobi ka mondo mikiny ngima wa ochal kaka ok chal kiny.
First difference, Kalausi has undergone the same life. Yembe no biro ko chandore. No biro ko chand. Meaning everybody has his own story. Jo biro gimo pogore. Jo giteno kwongo na Nairobi ka. Gite. But nobody got it easily. For everybody to see where you are. From Kalausi was just a mere mtumba man. Nusu naji ameishi huko vichakani, amekosa makao. Ndio hiyo TikTok kana naye vizuri. Gimakoro wachonia saa podi. TikTok kana naye ikaenda naye vizuri ndio akabadilika once, ndio akachange usi ndio. Ikaweka hivyo. However sasa ananago vitu but it has been a process. 2021 from yelling ya 2021. Ndio hiyo Simba amepitia hapa na pale. Juzi akafanya vizuri. Ndio hiyo yako. Mimi Jano sasa hivi nina save. Soon nataka mkuje muanze kunitembelea kwa duka yangu. What you need is saving plan. Don't be who they see. Be who you think. No, don't be who they see. Be who they'll see.
Joge wacho ni samoro ntie kaka u create mana kiki samodwa pesa. Kaka in wad machane kiki marot. Sane wan gi Kalausi mabejo moko wacho ni gina kiki mar manyo dao and
weche mopondo, weche mopandi, inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuok kuomi matiende ni onge.
Osiepe.
Ne sigana mamulo Ngimane, sigand joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundo ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem mariek nikech be samoro
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu wechegi kamora mora maintie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai. Kete mana kokidwa kete kat wabro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation ne adieri makende.
Arabudo ndetunde.
Mondo yud ndetunde kod Musa Jakadala kaka skiza tun mari D-Star abura chela Rio Star abirio abura ngwen hash
Ndetunde. Amama ndetunde.
Oteni usini kod LTN Luo Trending Nation.
Ai. An mara. Ano kauwe kanyo kauwe.
kumoki weno ambe ukawuoye alenga kumoki weno ambe kikawuoye nyakora moge kaka winjo kanyo no endo Jano maka una do advice ye kamera we yuak ne ngamo kinya yuak ni we koso chiemo ne ngamo kinya koso ni chiemo. You've been a problem. You've been in a problem. Sorry, you've been a problem. You've been in a problem. You know? And now expect me Osiepe should come out. Chien ka chani sa. Chien.
Kau ni biro ga. Osiepe kubiga. You know? Now when it goes to problems, ongo Osiepe ni maburu biro. When Kalausi, Osiepe get di masani ose inbox. Osiepe get. We regi fans. No a fan. We rigodo. Osiepe ngochemu se probiro. Kati post manasani simba sim. Mabe simbido tonge pleni lipa mdogo. Ko bibiro. Your friends don't come when you are in problem.
They come to enjoy.
They just come to enjoy the life. They enjoy
and celebrate the victory.
Yeah. Don't. Anongo Osiepe na. When it goes to problems, anongo Osiepe. Nyaka ngamunge ikaka in okinyal biro into rescue samido aro gimoro.
Naneno ki support Kevo Makawili ndalo mono wayuare kode kacha matin. Be ne obiro wacho ni bwana Jano sani to winjo ka in makoro gini ogore kuomi ni chung koda kane wan go mari mi wacho ni bwana Kevo you are my client. Koro sani umari wacho ni kei koro na support. Be no bire kaka ongama sani koro nege club ongama manager ongama director ongama CEO. Bende kaka no biro muchipino wacho ni Jano we amiye kata 1000 upushi kapodi manyo kumoro kata host ni kechen ge ot maduong.
Dokanyi sabai ni ongo Osiepe Nairobi. Nairobi ongo Osiepe ni. Osiepe ni en your hard work. Tima tek yud pesa ni tim biashara chiki. When it goes to problems ongo Osiepe. Onge ngobiro. Bana an nyaka joma koro kao ni I'm so close with go. Onge.
Ni don't kendi.
It was me and me alone. Gikoro fans. Ungeni one give fan ge enda po ka gono Osiepe gi mashabiki. Nitie jomoko they are nowhere to be seen ini kia kata. Lakini ka gineno gimoro in kumoro gibiro now to personal level bana gini benadier. Angomo kelo makama. And purely Osiepe ga. No, purely those who I don't interact with to personal level. Emano biro mawatiyo godo.
Wachini mugi kwati ko ka chaenda adwa ni kore mark microphone ang'e tie jomo support ma fans gi jomok duari ka mondo mebe koro iwe gi ma fans gi but kapo kiwo gi fans ukikona ni jathum mane miero molojo gi miero nyocha winjo kiwacho kache ni bwana mimi napenda enda bwana inda hata kichukua bibi yangu sitaongea tasema chukua tu akoni hawa debede makongo ng'e ka wono bikona ni pok okay, man.
I'm a poor speaker.
In the debate best artist, Mari.
Ingene kacho ni best artist.
Okay, ne.
Bigara de koso mogo, ne kechana gijogo tuma mang'eny mang'iya.
Makori idwa pako majo moko nkech mogo.
Anawacho kania ji complain naero inda sana. It's true naere. Ngaro nigi ng'ate mohero. An fan mar ng'ane. Yeah. Anaero inda.
Makata kiti yoke kaka talanta tu ngeni itia mar mogo but hero inda.
Koro sani itie kambi. Yer kambi mala inda. No, sorry. I want to use a good language. No, a friendly language. Itio kaka the so-called we are too much on kakaralanda bwana. Itio kalisha tuto. Aya. Koro. Iweka na manaketo wendinda chiel nekech in itio kalisha tuto. Nyakibed gi your taste. Like me, I love Inda.
You love Inda. Jok modong take go teach.
Jomodong we are supportive. I'm support. Ana until language mati go wakai. Loving and being a fan. And fan marjite. I'm neutral to all wasani. Mimi natembelea kila msanii. Nyaka ma wer na Osiepe kama dhige shone no. I aero. No, I support. I'm supportive. I'm a fan to all wasani. But I like Inda. I love Inda. It's now self-explanatory.
Hapa ni kanyo tiwinjo maber kabisa. In msani ng'ene Jano biro supporti, Jano biro winjo thumbe ni but koro ng'ama ohero. En Prince Inda. Uwe Nyandare. Janabi. Mano nyaka beni Janabi be golo. Kech unu hero joma golo. Janabi golo.
Inda Inda supportive by them. You do appreciate. At least. Mi kama nikomba moja miss ana kapa age. Ana kana baraj. Talo wale gari kanyo. And it's good. Nyakobol ni gimoro. Yeah.
Uoge fans.
Anongo wach madawachi. All you can do is like what you do, love what you do, respect what you do, then people will help you loving it.
Kare okay kun yeah, you know kichal go san yeah. This is your boy here, Jano the governor. You can follow me on Facebook, YouTube. Yo, this is your boy. Bwana to hii ni gal bwana. Yo.
Si nimesha kuchallenge. If you love what like I love what I do. I like what I do. People are now helping me loving what I do. And that's what they are now doing. Okay. Yeah. So mimi ni kuwashukuru tu kwa yale yote mmekuwa mkinifanyia. We've been together through this way. Naomba Mungu awe nanyi. Mbarikiwe sana. Tuendelee tu na huo upendo. Support ile tu. Bado mimi Jano the Governor all the way social media platforms.
Mai luongo ni Jano the Governor. Jano kon gene en mana LTN Luo Trending Nation. Kaok ginene to pok gineno moro amora.
Kapok iwinje
Chor gini machiegni kore. Chak ne gi nyingi. Kentie jomoko makore ka donjo sani.
Iluongo ni LTN Luo Trending Nation. Kapok inene mano pok otimore. Mano be kipok iwinje to kisewinje to pok inene manye LTN. Ikele kako timore, gimomiyo timore, ng'amo time maonge gimipando kata achiel.
Erokamano nyakora mogwago ni erokamano ng'amono ni kodwa kanyo. Aneno ka chien kanyo wan gi jok mang'eny mabede ne konyo, wan kachache endo gi jasup the black sugar. Aneno ka nyocha gi wang'a kanyo ne umari kiar wakore. Nyocha gi wang'a kanyo seriously. Aneno ka gichak gi wang'o ka Atalanta. Iluongo ni jasup the presenter. Eni makawuono ene kamera kanyo. Wan kendo gi Arosi Nyakoba mano director madhako. Mabende ne kanyo nendo gin e jok ma koponi neno kowuok mobam to gin keyo kowuok maler to gin ka sound sawa gin ma gin kanyo no endo. Waduoko ni erokamano ne ng'amono watch nikech kok mana in wan ok dwa wuok ka jonekni to gi Jano the Governor gi team mare. Ka in fan mar Jano the Governor imbe wago ni erokamano nikech wang'eni biro ka nikech Jano. Thank you so much. Wachoka romuru kendo next time. Ani luonga ni Umarina chieno jemo ne mbele chiene mineno mbele miyoko imed parni ne koponi eti in gi program mora mora to time mana e Benelux Greenspan launch Benelux ka ema en LTN titimo ni to bedo updated. Aneno ka Jano ng'iyo kacha gisetimo ne kamacha. Thank you so much. Oromuru kendo next time.
Nyakoramogi, be isebedo gi achiedh nade ka ipenjori kama inyalo chwalo lendo magi ne jopiny? Obed lendo mag ohala, lando nyasi kaachiel kod lendo mamoko mathoth. Bas, kik ibed gi kionko moro amora nimar LTN Luo Trending Nation ni ka nikech in. Wan kod jolendo man gi oteku kendo nigi lony mamalo mar chwalo ni lendo meki ne oganda. Ne ler mathoth tudri kodwa e nembniwa magin 07 11 92 32 74 kata 07 02 39 55 62 kata 07 68 21 42 45. Bende nyalo oronwa ote e luotrendingnation@gmail.com. Lendo manimba managi LTN Luo Trending Nation.
What's up? Of course, I'm Jackie Diva and tuko hapa kwa Luo Trending Nation. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Luo Trending Nation. Subscribe buru for #1 Luo News. Ni hapa kwa LTN. Make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime they upload a new video. Guys, till next time.